Hey, today we're talking about Ancestry's hints versus the card catalog. We're going to be really talking about targeted research for your genealogy. And so one of the things that I wanted to first point out was we have these leafy hints in our family trees. They show up all over the place. Recently, I did an episode about hints versus clues. They're all over the Ancestry platform, but one of the things I really wanted to point out was that the leafy hints that you're getting here, when you click on one of these leaves, you get these hints that are showing up, right? And it says, oh, I've got 26 hints. I need to go clean those out. It's almost like, you know, oh, there's messages on my Facebook feed. I need to go look at those, right? It's kind of like gnawing at you to go chase those hints. Well, I agree that you should take a look at those hints. But a lot of times when we drill into those hints, we get this long list of hints, and some of them are duplicated. Here's a couple pictures that are considered two different hints, right? And it might be something that I had already uploaded, right? But we get this long list of hints, and we can go through them. That's fine. But, you know, Ancestry used to say that only about 10% of the records that they have are being delivered in hints. Well, they won't commit to that 10% number anymore because they've added so many records that I don't think they really know what the percentage is, but I promise you it's not everything. And so what I encourage you to do is to go over to the card catalog. And how you get there is go to search, drill down to card catalog, and do some targeted research on your ancestor. Perhaps after you've gone through the hints, but you're still not finding what you need. And if you're discovering that maybe you still need a marriage record or something, then drill into first the location and then the type of records that you need. So if you're going to drill into the location, you're going to scroll down, pick up, in my case, USA, then the state, or whatever area that you're researching. You can even drill into the era in which you are researching. I did a whole episode on how to use the card catalog, but this will give you everything Ancestry has to offer as opposed to just some of the low-hanging fruit that the hints provide.